Hello Year 3 and welcome to the maths meeting today. Today's Monday the 22nd of February and we are going to begin very shortly. Can you make sure that you all have a pencil, a piece of paper or your home learning books or anything to write on, and then we can begin. If you need to still go and get those things, press pause now and then press play when you are ready. Fantastic, let's begin. What we'll do is I'm going to ask the questions, give you time to work them out, and then we will go through the answers together. So our first question, 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. So our first questions are, there are how many days in July and there are how many days in June? Press pause now and work it out, and then press play when you are ready. Well done, everybody. Did you figure that out all on your own? There are how many days in July? There are 31 days in July, and there are 30 days in June. And we have a lovely poem that will make us remember. Well done, everybody. Next question. The big hand tells us how many minutes passed or two, and the small hand tells us the hour. Now the big hand is blue and the small hand we have in red. Let's have a look. What do you think the time is? Press pause now and try to work it out, and press play when you are ready. Fantastic job. Let's work this one out together. So the big hand is telling us how many minutes is past or two. If you have a look, it's past the 12, isn't it? So we know it's going to be 5 and 10. That's 10 minutes past. And if you look at the small hand, which is our hour hand, it's past the 5. So it's 10 past 5. Okay, well done everybody for working that one out. Our next question, how much money is in Benny's bank? Can you have a go at working it out? Press pause now, and then we'll count it up together. Fantastic job, Year 3. Let's count together. So we have £2, £1, a 50 pence, a 20 pence, a 10 pence, and a 5. Now let's count up our pounds together first. How many pounds do we have? Fantastic. We have got £3 in pounds, and now we're going to count up how many pence we have. So we have 50 pence, add 20 pence, add 10 pence, and add 5. 50 pence. Sorry. Add 20 pence, add 10 pence, add 5. Gives us, excellent job. So 50, add 20 is 70, add 10 is 80, and add 5 is 85 pence. So we know it's £3 add 85 pence, which then gives us a total of £3 and 85 pence. Fantastic job if you did get that as your answer. On to the next question. Patty has 135 written at the top. Now she's got her deans to choose from. So can you draw on your page what her deans would look like if she needed 135? Remember, you've got your 100 squares, your 10s, and your 1s. Off you go, pause the video and press play when you are ready. Press pause now. Fantastic job. Let's work this one out together. So as I've said before, you've got your 100 squares. So we've got 100 already. And we need 3 10s because that's in our 10s column. You've got 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Now we need to work out our ones. How many ones do we have? She has 5 ones, so we're going to need to get 5 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fantastic job if you got the same answer as me. Well done. The next question, 91. Now make sure you have a look. What deans are we going to need? Press pause now and press play when you're ready to continue. Excellent job, year 3. Let's work it out together. We have got 9 tens. You must remember there are no hundreds, it's just tens. So we won't be using our 100 blocks, we'll be using our tens. So we need to have 9 of these tens. Make sure you're counting them correctly. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more, 9. Excellent. Now let's see how many ones do we have. We've only got 1 1, so we're only taking 1 of those. Well done to everybody. Excellent. Let's move on. 5 times 3 in an array. So have a think about what an array is, and could you work this one out? Have a go and try it out yourself. Press pause now. Fantastic job, year 3. You know that you're going to need 5 rows and 3 columns, or 5 columns and 3 rows. So let's work it out together. You should have drawn something similar to what I'm about to draw now. So let's draw circles. So I'm going to have 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5. I'm going to put 3 columns for each one. Once I'm doing this, could you work out what our total will be in the end? What is our total? Have a go. Fantastic job. If we were to count all together, we'd have a total of 15. Did you get a total of 15 as well? Fantastic. I know you're all doing this much neater than I am. It's a bit hard to do it. Fantastic. Here we've got, if you count with me, so we'll put a different colour, you've got 1 group of 5, 2 group of 5s, and 3 groups of 5. Fantastic job. Well done, year 3. And fantastic work in completing your first maths meeting of this week. Well done, everybody. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you back again for our second meeting of the week.